Actually, yeah, I would like. Does the water get in here?
No, there's a few drips from the paddle.
Here I go.
The footrest, don't push too hard.
All
If you
right.
want to get good control, you can put these things over your knees, these straps. If you want, and it feels, you can roll it, it's more like a real canoe then.
Awesome, thank you.
No worries, enjoy. And turn the paddle up. Yep.
Have a beautiful time. I just got back from the kayak. It was a super fun experience being out there in the sea, just being separated from everything, and just check up on the guys and let's see what they're doing. It seems like it's a chill time. Everyone's just lazily chilling. Hello, my friend. Sleepy. We got my hippie friend in the hammock. Oh. And then we got my friend Adrian. Oh, just chilling under the sun. What a beautiful day. Yeah, my friend from New York came here to visit us. He's heading back to New York tomorrow. Take care. There he goes. Alright, now we're headed to a boat tour. We're going to be going to Butterfly Valley, which is somewhere around over there in the mountains, somewhere there. And you guys updated. So we're at the beach now. It's kind of windy, as you can see. We're going to be going on one of these boats and going to Butterfly Valley. This is the valley you see between these two. There's a nice little beach there. Have a nice tour and then come back. Keep you guys updated. And we're on the boat. Here we go. Here we come, Butterfly Valley. Wow, look at that. Ain't that cool? Going out to sea. That's actually where Africa is. If you just keep going straight, you just end up in Africa.
Siz de hassas dişleriniz için
Alright guys, so here we arrived at the Blue Cave. They call this little place the Blue Cave. We're usually gonna get off there, but it's a little wavy, too windy to get off. So we might go on the way back if it's a little calmer. That's the Blue Cave. And we made it. Here we are in Butterfly Valley. That's it right there. We made it. Butterfly Valley. That's the one. Big valley. So in the summer season, when it's really hot, this place gets filled with butterflies, and that's where it gets its name. Here we are now, nearing the port. Beautiful place. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Butterfly Valley. Friend Zainad, he's the one who sponsored me.
Welcome.
He's a very lovely guy. He's tired of the city life, and he just told his wife I'm gone for 15 days. And he just kept driving until he reached this place, and we met. And he's like, let's go see Butterfly Valley, and here we are. And thank you for sponsoring me. It's amazing. It's so nice of you. This is the valley up there. Sarı böyle tut. Just jumped in the water, super refreshing. Now we're headed back to Ölüdeniz where we're camping. See you guys at the campsite. Just got back to the camping site here with the happy campers. Gang is all together. Everyone's resting. Gonna be going on a bike ride with my friend Pasquale.